Might have heard about Viksit Bharat 2047. It's a vision to foster inclusive economic participation among all citizens. Let's now emphasize on the word all citizens. Seeing our surrounding and today's situation, we don't find any traces as to independently say that all citizens are participating inclusively to foster country's economy, literacy, etc. As it's clearly visible that here in India, somehow the opportunity rate is comparatively less. This is why many Indian youths have immigrated abroad. So it's not that our youths lack of something, but it's that India is not as Viksit as it's portrayed. Keeping in mind the population increment, the development which we are experiencing is pretty much obvious. People actually have misconception of as what does development means. Let's now break down the word development. Development actually means growing. But is India really developing? Yes, it indeed is developing, but externally. Development has two phases, internal and external. And what people think that development is just the first phase, that is external development. Whereas development also includes internal development. For this, let's rewind into our classes. Say there's a class 8C and the teacher said she wanted a student for speaking on an event. So she asked the interested student to raise their hand, and 35% of the class was interested, so they raised their hand. But without any valid reason, voting, or any conduction of the quiz, the teacher selected a student, say X, who's an extrovert and has got multiple chances. Whereas there were many students striving for this opportunity and they were ignored. And there were many much possibilities that they could lead the role given to X more efficiently than X itself. Something similar to the above example happens in India but on a large scale. And in some of the field, this is termed as development. Not in all, but in some. Where one who is dominant, like X, is representing the community, whereas people more efficient than X are striving for a chance but are ignored. And yeah, it's not a question that find the value of X. So please don't go on finding X. So we can say that India, as for now, could be more developed than how it's today. This was external aspect of development, which as for now is more focused on its external development. Say it's the talk of the town. And so we can say that this is what Viksit Bharat talks about or refers to. The expansion of our technology and the expansion of our economy, this growth is really commendable. But what's happening in internal India is really very heartbreaking and shattering.